Got your children's storybook manuscript ready and wondering how to upload it to your Amazon KDP account? In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process to add your book details, upload your manuscript and cover, set pricing and publish your kids' book the right way. Hi friends, I'm Mayur. Welcome back to Little Dream Factory. If you are a beginner author, this tutorial will help you upload a ready-made kids storybook manuscript to your Amazon KDP account without confusion. So let's get started. Now, before you begin, make sure you already have your KDP account logged in, or if you don't have, you can just create a new account and follow the steps. Your manuscript file should be ready, your cover file, the book title and description, and your target reading age. If your book includes AI-generated text, images, or translations, Amazon KDP also requires you to disclose that during publishing. What I would recommend is you can use the cover image prepared in Artistly.ai and the manuscript which we had prepared in the same tool, Artistly, as it is. Then upload the manuscript PDF into any AI chatbot and ask it to provide details required to put into KDP account, such as book description, back cover, its description, keywords, etc. So I have already prepared this just to save on time, but this is a fairly simple process. You can follow it. So without wasting much time, let me share my screen and let's get into the actual process. So I have already logged into my KDP account. Once logged in, you need to click on create new title or series. Then we'll be using paperback. Create paperback means the book will be printed in hardcover. Language will be English. Book title, I just copy it. You can get all these details using any AI chatbot. If you have any series, you can add it or you can keep it as it is. Author, you can give your name or you can just write any pen name. I will write 1 second. Story viewer. Write any pen name. If you have any contributors to this, you can add, otherwise as it is. Then description. I'm just copying it, which I got from a chatbot. You can edit it. Meet Leo, a brave young lion who believes he is the mightiest animal in the jungle. But one sunny day, when he looks into a sparkling pond, Leo sees another lion staring back at him, thinking a rival has appeared in his jungle. Leo growls, storms, and prepares to fight until a wise little monkey named Mika helps him discover the truth. So this is the short summary of the story, which I have grabbed from the manuscript using an AI chatbot. Okay, publishing right, I own the copyright and hold necessary publishing rights. Primary audience, is it having any sexually explicit images? No. Reading age, I'll say minimum is 3, maximum you can say up to 10. Primary marketers, I will select Amazon.com. If you want, you can select any other, but .com will cover all the places. Choose the category. So mine is kids books, so I'll go to children's books. Let's see, animals. Let's see, fiction. And add another category. We can add maximum 3 categories. See, children's book, science fiction and fantasy, education, fairy tales, folks, myths, general. Add another category. The science fiction and fantasy, general. So don't go into a lot of details. Just choose whatever you feel like and just save the categories. Just leave it as it is. Then enter the keywords. You can enter maximum 7 keywords here. Just let me copy paste all the keywords I got. If you have been following, we had just created this story about Leo's reflection in the yesterday's video. So I have used the same story for uploading into this KDP account. Publishing and date and release date are the same. Release is my book for sale now. Yes. Then save and continue. If at all, if you want to continue later on, you can save as a draft and come back to complete the next step. So here we will go save and continue. We'll go to the next step, paperback content. Get a free KDP ISBN. Just click on assign ISBN and it will create your ISBN number. So this is the ISBN number which is unique for every book. Then the print option. So what you want? I want a premium color interior. I want a colored book. And trim size, we need to select 8.5 into 11 inch. This is also a crucial step, just like while creating the manuscript in Artistly.ai, we had selected 3:4. So similarly, this is also crucial. You have to select 8.5 into 11 inches. Otherwise, your manuscript will not get approved in KDP. Bleed setting, no bleed. Paperback, I want matte. If you want, you can select glossy. Now, upload manuscript. So just to recap, I'll just show. This is the flip book I had created in our Artistly.ai tool. If you go into my flip book, here, this is a story. You can click on ready to download KDP manuscript and it will download that PDF manuscript file. Okay, and in order to create that cover image, you can just go to personal design and you can download this cover image. Okay, so this is how you will get your cover image and the manuscript. So first we'll upload the manuscript. Let me upload Leo's reflection. Okay, now we have to launch cover creator. Click continue. I will be uploading it from my computer. This is the cover image. select design. So I like this kind of design where image is on the one side and one side is for the additional content that you want. Okay, and here just go to choose layout and go to the extreme right and select this one which has only the content, and I'll just copy the content which I prepared for the back cover. Okay, click on preview. So this is how our cover will look like. And since we have used that no build option, so even though it is showing like this, but this will not come on our book. Only the front cover and this back cover content will come. So once this is okay, you click on save and submit. Okay. AI generated content. Yes, we have used AI generated content. So did you use any AI tools? Yes. So which tool for text? I have used Interwork with minimal or no editing. In some sections with minimal or no editing. I'll use Interwork with minimal or no editing. I'll use ChatGPT. Or images, many AI images with extensive editing, many AI images with minimal or no editing. I've used Artistly. Translation is none. Now click on Launch Previewer. So here you will be able to see entire book from cover page to the last page. You can just go through it and just check everything is fine or not. And all your content should be within this red line. So even though this cover image is going outside that, but our entire text is within that red image. So nothing to worry. So whatever is going outside red image will get cut. Okay. So this is our cover image and this back cover image. Okay. So we'll approve. Now the next is you set the pricing. Just click on save and continue. Rate as $15. So here you'll know what royalty you'll be getting. So $15, Amazon will sell this book for the $15, but you will get a royalty at $4.8. And in other locations, it will be $1.8 other than US markets, I think, expanded distribution. So for different regions, they are having different royalties. So automatically, whatever price you put it in here, it will automatically recalculate the prices in other countries. And based on this, you will be able to see what royalties you will be getting. If you want, you can order a proof copy, but that is not required. So just click on publish your paperback. So that's it. Our book is already published. Okay, you can see this our book name, how much it will be sold for, and it will take approximately 7 to 2 hours for listing it into Amazon, but that's okay. And if there are no issue, you will get an email that your book has been published. Okay, here you can see we have used a paperback version. It is under review. So once it is getting published, I'll just show you. This is like the earlier book which I have published, which is already available. It shows as live. So this is how your status will change from in review to live once that book gets published. So that's it. That's how to upload a ready-made children's storybook manuscript to your Amazon KDP account step by step. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. If you want the complete process guide from creating the manuscript to uploading it to KDP account, then click on the link given in the description below the video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.